In this video we're going to read or to study the how to take the reading or how to learn how to take the reading of this. This is also an LTCT meter. I have just for study purpose I have given connection only to R phase and neutral. See, this is the R phase PT, and then I have looped this to the CT. All right, CT, and then out and then to the load. Likewise for the neutral also like this. So the connection is simply like this. All right, it's very simple. And then I have connected the load. There is the heater of it's a 1000 watt load. And then for reading, for taking the reading of this meter, this meter has got, or for that matter, for all the LTCT meters, you will have two modes. One is the auto mode and the other is the push button mode. Okay, so first of all, let us go to the auto mode. What are the parameters that you actually need will be available in auto mode? Your present kWh, kVh, or your R phase voltage, of all the phases, and R phase current also of all the phases. All right, so for going to the auto mode, you have to keep this one long press. Okay, this button, the upper button, long press. This is the push button mode. First of all, I'll go to the auto mode, okay, which is what is required, auto mode, and then I'll keep pressing this. Okay, auto will come. Yes, this in auto mode you will have the voltages, all right, like this. All right, so when you press this in auto mode, the very first mark that you have to note down is your kWh. All right, so this one I've just missed the kWh. Let me go back. Let me go Y phase, B phase, auto. This one, this is the present kWh, okay, kilowatt hour, and then after this will be your voltage, the present kWh, and then your R phase voltage. Because I'm using only R phase, there will voltage. Okay, there will be no voltage in Y phase. Okay, it will display here because I did not connect anything. I'm not connecting anything. Y phase voltage is 0 and B phase voltage also will 0. See, here it's there in L1, L2, L3. If all the phases are there, then L2, L3 will also be there in addition to L1. See, this is a B phase voltage, and R phase current after this should be around 3 point, because according to the load only 3.6 to 3.8 like that. Okay, so 3.75 is the R phase current, which is good enough. So this meter is actually okay. The only problem is that there is the voltage leakage inside. That's why it got replaced. The Y phase current is 0 here because I did not connect anything. Y phase current is 0, and then we'll go to B phase current is also 0 because nothing is actually connected in B phase. And then after this will be your kVh. All right, yes, this is also needed, 180 3.5 kVh. And then after this will be your R phase power factor. R phase power factor is 0.99. okay, very close to unity because the load is almost purely resistive. And then the Y phase power factor is 0 because I did not connect anything again, and B phase power factor also will be 0. All right, B phase power factor is actually 0 because nothing is there. Okay, nothing is connected there. And then after this will be your on, or how much this meter has been on. I mean, that is also important. 11,810 hours this meter has been in operation. All right, this has been on for this much hours. After this it will again repeat. The kWh will come, and then the R voltages, and then the current, and then your kVh. These are the parameters that are actually the real time parameters or the present parameters. But if you want to look at the maximum demand of this, which is actually required for consumers, HD consumers, because you have to take that also into consideration for billing purpose. For example, if the billing is done manually, then the demand is needed, because you have to apply section 126 of the Electricity Act, that is the excess demand charge will be there, which is twice the normal tariff. Now I'll keep this long press, then push. Yes, it has come this. And then this is billing parameter number 1. This is of last month. as well as 1551.5 kWh of this. Today's month is August, so it will be of June. Okay, it auto has again, because I did not, I will go to, yes, this the push mode. Okay, so of June, and this is of May, this is of April, no, this is of Jan actually. kVh of June, May, April, March, Feb, Jan. Alright, and this is the maximum demand is 0 because I already reset it, otherwise there will be somebody. It was around 0.734. Alright, so this 0.305 kVA. Alright, so this is the time, the date is 18th of July 2024. After this will be the time 1857, and then like this. Okay, alright, so what we understand, or what we have understood from this small video, is that all the parameters that are required for you to build the consumer are there in auto mode. Only your kWh present, or the real-time kWh and kVAh are available in auto mode, and your maximum demand you will get in push button mode. All right, so all the parameters, your kWh, kVAh, R phase, the phases voltage and phases current will be there in auto mode. Only your maximum demand will be there in the push button mode. So this is what you have to remember when you go and do the reading. All right, so thank you.